Summer is here and we've curated a list of summer skincare hacks for you and your skin to beat the heat this season. Dull skin can sneak up on us any time of the year. Try this free tip to revive your skin this summer. Take some rice water and freeze it into an ice cube and simply apply in circular motions. Keeping your skin clean to avoid breakouts because of dust and sweat is very crucial during the summers. Invest in a face wash designed to do just that, like the Alps Goodness Acne Control Face Wash. It is enriched with tea tree, salicylic acid and apple cider vinegar, a powerful trio to keep your skin squeaky clean and free of acne. If you have oily skin, it's likely to get greasy due to the humidity. But don't skip out on your moisturizer just because summer is here. Try Purple's Glow Trap Moisturizer infused with hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin and aloe vera gel for oil control. Your skin is bound to get a little greasy through the day. You can simply deal with it by using blotting paper. You can DIY it by cutting up some butter paper to make your own blotting sheets, or use thin tissue paper napkins, which also do the trick. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable essential all year round, and especially during the summers. It is important to apply SPF every day and reapply every few hours, even if you are indoors, as our windows do not provide protection against the harmful UVB rays, which leads to dullness and pigmentation. For combination and oily skin, try the Good Vibes Coconut Nourishing Sunscreen Lotion with SPF 50. And if you have dry skin, look for moisturizing ingredients such as shea butter in your SPF, like the Good Vibes Aloe Vera and Shea Butter Hydrating Sunscreen Lotion. Sweating during the summers is a given, but the acne that comes along with it doesn't have to be. Try this gentle yet effective face mask to control excess oil production leading to acne. Take 2 teaspoons of besan, add 1 teaspoon of multani mitti and mix it with cooling rose water and apply it. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing. Hydrating your face from time to time is a great way to stay fresh through the day. For oily skin, use the Alps Goodness Acne Control Toner enriched with tea tree, apple cider vinegar and salicylic acid. For a boost of radiance and glow, use the Good Vibes Vitamin C Glow Toner and let it soak into the skin. We hope you're ready to have a great summer and enjoy these tips and tricks. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.